These super cool men and women use tools to make studs and nuts. They're used to connect anything made with sheet metal. Just like Play-Doh, they're punched into a mold and created without cutting. Zero waste. Now that's cool. These studs and nuts are used for car parts, medical equipment, computers, phones, and yes, drones.
How you give this metal strength is you put it through a heat treating furnace.
Basically what these machines are huge furnaces. That's all it is. It's a lot of heat and a conveyor belt. So it's kind of like cooking, except you don't get to eat the product at the end. Just Zach by himself with 150,000 pieces per day. It's pretty impressive.
Mostly our fasteners are pressed into a piece of sheet metal, and usually it helps hold another a component together.
I was raising two boys as a single mom. They were able to change my hours, so I can be home early enough that I can make dinner and help them with their homework.
My favorite thing about working here, probably the people, man. Everybody here really wants you to learn, really wants to establish a good work environment, and I think everybody here, like my coworker Todd here, make it good to show up to work every day. I think that's my favorite part of the job.
With the 3D program we use for Creo, you can upload to the 3D printer over here and 3D print different things out of plastic. I like the design challenges and the different challenges that we see day in and day out.
We loved our time in Penn Engineering, and we had a great time working on this project.
This is us at school flying our drones. So thank you Penn Engineering for making parts that are used in drones. This is so much fun.
All good? Should we start over?